today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Lemon8 app. So all you have to do in the verse, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So when you click, you come here to settings, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, you click here on apps. So then you come to this is, it's going to show for you like this. And here you're looking here for Lemon8 app, or just click on search. Then here at Lemon8, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. You come to this list, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So then you go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. So then here you search for Lemon8, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.